Minds and Money Conference in New York. With me now live, finally, Todd Bubba Horwitz
Here I am.
in the flesh of BubbaTrading.com.
I'm so happy to be here. It's great to be with you.
Yeah, you're a panelist this afternoon. We just had Mike McGlone on. He will be on your panel along with Vince Lancy, Rick Rule, Adrian Day's moderating it on Trump and gold, how gold is reacting in this world. How do you see it, Todd?
Well, look at gold. I mean, you know, yeah, is it down a little bit over the last few weeks? Yeah, but look at where it's at compared to where it came from. We were thinking that it was going to go down below 1,100. Now we just threatened 1,300. So it's not like I'm really concerned about gold. I think you're probably looking at another buying opportunity. You know, we're going to have a weaker dollar. No matter what the Fed does, the dollar is going to come lower. You're going to have some people have some concerns, and of course, you and I talked about that cashless society thing, which is another problem for gold.
So is there, you know, and another aspect of it is the risk trades on here. People are just not flocking to the safe havens here. What's it going to take? You know, the election could be a game changer this weekend.
People are flocking to five stocks, right? All those, the big tech stocks. It reminds me of 1999 all over again. It's a blow off to the upside. The election could be a major game changer, and I think you're going to see there is still a bid for gold underneath the market. I think you're going to see gold continue to try to work higher because I think Le Pen's got a good chance to win. I think that there's a whole bunch of things that are going on that right now, though, equity traders don't care about anything. They're not worried about gold, but gold still manages to hold in spite of everything.
So do you think people are just afraid to get in at these levels? They just don't know what to do because the physical buying's not there.
Well, again, I'm a guy that believes that the physical buying may be there through the back door. You might not see it all. I know there's a lot of physical buying in China. I know there's a lot of physical buying in India. The actual person who's actually buying it, maybe not. But remember, I don't think there's enough gold to handle that paper gold that's out there. So all these ETFs that people are buying, hoping that that's their share of gold, I think they'll be disappointed someday.
Are you going to be an instigator during the debate this afternoon?
What do you think?
I think you are. What are your thoughts on how gold is holding up here with Trump?
Well, I think gold is holding up well, but I don't know that it has to do with Trump. I think it has to do with gold is a great hard asset to own. Markets are extremely overvalued. When those markets do correct, people are going to be looking for alternative investments, one of them being gold, and I think that is probably something that everybody does not own that should. Okay. I think gold is something you should have ownership in.
Silver, you've liked it since day one, since I met you. What are you doing with it at these levels?
I'm buying. I mean, it's hurting me right now. It's going down. Well, it's going. I'm going to keep buying silver every time that I have money that I want to buy something. My first purchase is always silver. I'm going to continue to hold it and put away.
And you're just buying physical? Are you looking at the miners?
I'm doing both, but I like to buy physical silver. I like to hold it, touch it, feel it, and put it in my safe. I don't want it to be absconded from me, and I don't want to find out down the road that there isn't enough silver to back these ETFs either.
Right. Well, that's a discussion, separate discussion in itself. I look forward to your panel this afternoon. Thanks so much for stopping by.
Thanks for having me.
Todd Bubba Horwitz, BubbaTrading.com. We'll have more for you from the Minds and Money Conference in New York. Thanks, Bubba.
All right.